maybe the funniest thing that ever happened to me was my last year in office. It was the 50th anniversary, and I was the victim of a practical joke in which new junior fellows were told that I was hosting a special 50th anniversary breakfast at 7 o'clock on Saturday mornings. So the first person came at 7, and I was asleep. The dog started barking. I hadn't put my upper dentures in. I came downstairs livid because it was Saturday, and there was this well-dressed young junior fellow said, "I hope I'm not too late." And I said, "For what?" And he said, and he held up the letter, and I realized they had faked my signature and the note paper, and I said, "Oh, we're a victim of practical jokes." This went on all morning. It kept going, and eventually, to get even, I at one of the subsequent high tables at the college, I called the perpetrators and the victims up, and I said that the victims were going to get special privileges, and the perpetrators, I was going to make sure that the next year, if they wanted to come back, they could only go to Wycliffe College, which had separate male and female dorms. And one of the chief perpetrators, who I didn't realize, but everyone in the college did, was a happily constructed young gay guy. He said, "Oh, that would be terrific." And the whole hall broke out into laughter and applause. So it was a happy moment. It was a lot of fun, and suggested the atmosphere in the place was very positive and supportive.